Welcome to Zeina app, your innovative platform transforming local searches and interactions with suppliers. First, explore the geolocalized marketplace. The search is contextualized by your location, suggesting vendors and products within 5 to 15 kilometers. Whether it's a bakery, hardware store, or other service, easily toggle between detailed views and the supplier you need, and a detailed view by product type. Looking to explore local businesses? Click the Business tab to find numerous offers and services. Want to buy something specific? Switch to the Products tab for categories. With our systems, contact sellers directly by phone, secure messaging, or social networks. Everything is done to immerse you in the world of each of your merchants, accessing their social platforms directly from the app and exploring their exclusive multimedia content. To assist you in managing your expenses, our app provides detailed tracking of your purchase history with each of your preferred suppliers. View all transactions at a glance, with daily, monthly, or yearly spending summaries. This feature helps you take charge of your finances and plan future purchases. Finally, Zeina app is tailored to meet all your needs, regardless of your language. Personalized user experience. That's it, you've just discovered Zeina app and its multiple functionalities for intuitive local search, enriched interaction with your suppliers and personalized tracking of your expenses. Join us and transform your purchasing experience with a platform that puts ergonomics and efficiency at the heart of your needs. Thanks for your attention. See you soon on Zeina, a solution for everyone, everywhere.